Perkenalkan, saya Ade Siska Filia, dosen Bahasa Inggris Poltekkes Kemenkes Bengkulu. Video ini dibuat sebagai pernyataan saya dalam unjuk kinerja Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi atau PDD UKT-PT dalam kegiatan sertifikasi dosen 2026. Mata kuliah yang saya ajar adalah Bahasa Inggris untuk Prodi D3 Gizi dengan kode GZ 510524 dengan bobot 2 SKS praktek. Adapun CPL yang akan dicapai merupakan CPL KU3, yaitu mampu mengkaji implikasi pengembangan atau implementasi ilmu pengetahuan teknologi yang memperhatikan dan menerapkan nilai humaniora sesuai dengan keahliannya berdasarkan kaidah, tata cara, dan etika ilmiah dalam rangka menghasilkan solusi, gagasan, desain, atau kritik seni. Kemudian CPMK 3, mahasiswa mampu mengkomunikasikan secara efektif dalam bahasa Inggris, yaitu berupa hasil kajian mengenai pengembangan atau implementasi iptek yang memperhatikan nilai-nilai humaniora serta menyampaikan solusi gagasan, desain, atau kritik ilmiah sesuai kaidah. Kemudian tata cara dan etika akademik. Lalu turunan sub CPMK-nya, mahasiswa diharapkan dapat berkomunikasi lisan dalam bahasa Inggris secara santun dengan pasien dan tenaga kesehatan dalam konteks kegiatan sehari-hari di rumah sakit. Mata kuliah ini menguraikan tentang kedudukan bahasa Inggris sebagai bahasa internasional serta memberikan pengalaman pembelajaran pada peserta didik untuk meningkatkan kemampuan dalam bahasa Inggris baik secara lisan maupun tulisan dalam menjalankan peran dan fungsi sebagai dietitian atau nutritionist. Lalu metode yang digunakan adalah kuliah interaktif, small discussion, role play, baik dengan peer atau teman sejawat maupun dengan GPT Live. Berikut ini akan Anda saksikan video pengajaran dari saya dengan tema Nutritionist and Dietitian dan dengan metode discussion, role play dengan teman sejawat, kemudian role play dengan ChatGPT Live. Selamat menyaksikan. Good morning everyone. Okay, welcome to English for Nutritionists and Dietitians. We have 2 credits of practice. So today, before we begin, I would like to check your attendance list. But I will give you time to think about one name of food, traditional food from Indonesia. And then when I call your name, you have to mention the name of the food. Okay? Yeah, I give you maybe about 10 seconds to think about the name of the food. Anissa Putri Budiasi.
The food is rawon.
Rawon, thank you. Arini Dwi Hanifa. Is there Arini in here? Where is Arini? Ayo Arini? Satai, thank you. Armanita Suci Lestari. Yes. Satai. Aurel Griselia Amiranti. Yes. Zoto. Zoto. Aurel Griselia. Oh, tadi Aurel ya? Ya. Aurora Kanisha Yumelian. Rendang. Okay. Rendang. Azahratul Jannah. Yes. Rendang too. Chelsea Ramadhani. Yes. Pempek. Okay. Citra Amelia. What is it? Huh? Fried rice. Group 1 will talk about nutritionists and dietitians.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Ma'am Siska and dear friends, welcome to our presentation today. My name is Safira, and I will be your moderator for this session. And my groups and I would like to present our topic about nutritionists and dietitian. Before I begin, allow me to introduce my groups member one by one. First, this is Deza, and this is Vidya, this is Nisa, this is Jessica, this is Pina, this is Tari, and this is Icha. I apologize for any mistake or shortcomings in this presentation. Okay, let's move to the background of our presentation. Nutrition is essential for maintaining health and preventing disease. Nutritionists and dietitians are professionals who help individuals and communities achieve good nutritional status.
Their roles include the providing nutritional education and outreach. This point why? Because nutritionists help us find the patient nutritionist problems and causes. This second point, the segment program to improve public nutrition. And 3, developing nutritionist education material. This program helps the patient who need nutritional care because not everyone is the same. They eat the gift the same like the support. The point B, the role of dietitian focus on nutritional service and medical nutritional therapy. Their roles they include 1. Conducting patient nutritional assessment, 2. Establishing nutritional diagnosis, and 3. Designing dietary therapies through specific medical condition. Point B, this explains how to give the patient the nutritionals they need. Now, how do we manage to patient diet? How do we manage to patient gym? How do we manage to patient athlete? This is a patient diet. Some patient need a diet to be because they are alright. But some patient need a healthy to stay healthy and diet. Next. Okay, the next, nutritional profession is currently shifting from traditional focus toward medical, clinical specialism and technology-driven service. Do you know about the modern world in the world, right? Right. Yes, technology is helpful in our world, in our daily life. As we know, the number of people in the world keep changing. The profession continues to evolve alongside the growing demand for nutritional service and increasing public awareness raising in pursuit of healthy eating. Educational standards, the profession is strictly standard through education pathways such as Diploma 4 of Apprenticeship before degree in nutrition SRGZ. The goal of nutritionist professionals is to help children, teenagers, and adults we need good nutritionists to grow and stay healthy. These professionals has many nutritionists have many important the goal and the good. Thank you.
Very good.
The differences are nutritionists mainly focus on nutrition education, health promotion, and disease prevention by encouraging healthy eating habits. In contrast, dietitians are qualified healthcare professionals with specialist education, clinical training, and certification who is authorized to provide nutrition assessment, diagnosis, and medical nutrition. Also, we can call it MNC for patients.
Is about duties and responsibility of nutritionists and dietitian. First one, we have duties and responsibility of nutritionists. Nutritionists generally focus on prevention, health promotion, and nutritional education for the general group or publics. for healthy education. First, their primary duties include 1. Nutritional counseling. Nutritional counseling is like providing education and advice on healthy eating habits to maintain fitness and prevent disease. 2. We have public health programs. Public health programs is designing, implementing, and evaluating nutrition program within the community, such as integrated health posts or stunting prevention initiative. 3. We have nutritional status monitoring. Nutritional status monitoring, observing and assessing the nutritional status on individuals and groups. Next, we have duties and responsibility of a dietitian. Dietitian posts more specialized authority within the clinical medical prism. They bear full responsibility for patient nutritional therapy. Their duties and responsibility include 1. Nutritional care. Nutritional care is conducting nutritional assessment, assess bleeding nutritional diagnosis, or planning intervention or dietary prescription, and monitoring and evaluating the patient condition.
Role of nutritionist and dietitian. Role of nutritionist is a nutritionist gives nutrition education about the importance of breakfast. They encourage healthy eating habits and explain how breakfast provides energy for study and daily activities. And then the role of dietitian. A dietitian assesses the student eating habits and nutritional needs. The dietitian creates a healthy breakfast plan, gives personalized nutrition advice, and monitor the student progress to improve their eating habits and health.
Some of your friends present the material very well, but the other ones must learn how to present the result of discussion without reading all the materials from the first time until the last. Okay? Maybe you can ask your audience, guys, do you know what is fat? Fat in here is not gemuk in bahasa Indonesia, but it's more lemak. Yeah? Because it's special vocabulary for nutritionists and dietitian. Okay, today I will explain to you about fat. Very easy. Yeah. Do you know the example of fat? You can ask your audience, and then your audience will answer your questions. So you don't need much time to explain more because you already obtain the answers from the audience, and you just need to explain maybe only a little bit about fat. Well, guys, after presentation, I want you to do role play, and I hope you have downloaded our materials, nutritionists and dietitians, and please look at chapter 1. Yeah, chapter 1. Okay, you're going to talk to your friend. One of you should become a dietitian and your friend have to become a patient. You can choose which one do you want, become a patient or a dietitian. Yeah. The first one, you have to introduce yourself like this. For example, hi, I'm Sarah, your dietitian. How are you today? Yeah. Ask about their condition. And then as the patient, you have to reply. Hi Sarah, I'm doing okay, or I'm good, or oh, not bad. It depends on the situation that you have. And then, yeah, dietitian, for example, yeah, you can give like, reply, yeah, that's good to hear. And then my job here is to help you with your diet and your goals. As the dietitian, you have to tell your patient, what is your job? Why you are there? Yeah? Can you tell me why you came to see me today? Yeah, you have to ask your patient why they have to come to the hospital to see the dietitian. Yeah, and then the patient give response. For example, I want to eat better and lose weight. Saya ingin makan yang lebih baik dan ingin turun berat badan, gitu ya. I don't know where to start. And then as dietitian, you give suggestion to the patient. Yeah, or maybe you can start the conversation by saying, "Oh, that's a great deal. That's a great deal. We can work together to make plan that fits your lifestyle. Let's start by talking about what you usually eat." Seperti itu. Okay? Yeah. Now please talk to your friend. Maybe you can practice first this dialogue and then make your own conversation. I give you maybe about 10 minutes from now.
Lisa, good afternoon. My name is Samira and I'm here because I want to lose my weight.
Oh, good afternoon, Safira. I'm Anissa, your dietitian today. So, can you tell me what is your activity for today, or are you eating something tonight?
I think I eat fast food too much and I skip my breakfast and I have snacks at night.
Oh, thank you for telling me today. But we can improve your activities or your eating habits, so make it healthier.
Okay, thank you so much, Anissa.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon. Nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Dietitian. I'm Zeza. Nice to meet you.
Hi Zeza, I'm Fina. Nice to meet you.
Can I help you, Fina?
Yes, you can help me for diet. My body is so afraid.
Today, I can help you because I'm your dietitian. Fina, what is your job in daily life?
I'm model Zeza.
Oh, pretty job, Fina. You can meet me tomorrow to make a food recipe for you.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Zeza.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, attention please everyone, listen to me. Listen to me. So, have you ever used ChatGPT? Yes. No? Do you know ChatGPT? No? You don't know ChatGPT?
No.
Oh, maybe some of you already use that. Yeah. Okay. Now they have the new, what is it? The new program like GPT Live. Have you ever heard about that? GPT Live. Yeah. I'll show you. GPT Live. You can talk to GPT just like when you talk to your friends. Yeah. And then it will give some response to your questions. Yeah. To what you are talking about. Of course, in this case, when we learn English, yeah, you have to talk in English with GPT Live. I'll show you how it works. Okay. Now, please open your Google and then write GPT Live. Tell ChatGPT this prompt. I'm beginner in learning English. Ask me some questions about myself. Yeah. Now, please practice with GPT.
GPT, I'm beginner in learning English. Ask me something question about myself.
Okay, I'm like to free time. Sometimes I do the watch movie or I reading a novels. To be honest, I really like the movie and genre romance. I like the reason why I like the movie romance because I want to get a scene from movie in my life. I think I little have a hopeless romantic maybe.